Welcome to the garage. Let's fix all these vehicles and find out what they can do. Get Mom. Uh-oh, something's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. Super. We need to take parts off the wrecking ball. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. That's it. Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Excellent. Wonderful. Let's install the new parts in the engine. Excellent. Awesome. Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Something is dripping here. Match the keys to the lock by size. Excellent. That's it. Taco. Pick up all the junk with wires. Super. Wonderful! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Keep going. Awesome! Put a patch on it. Awesome! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super! Wonderful! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You fixed it! All done! Now help to assemble wrecking ball. All done! Now we can upgrade the parts. Go to the construction site. Let's go! Congratulations! Great job! You got a sticker for your great work. Unwrap the reward. What an amazing sticker. These are the fascinating stickers you collect.